is? Like, what can you spend $100 on?
A car?
Car? I don't know about that. What you?
A cheap phone?
A cheap phone? Yeah, probably a cheap phone. What else?
Convertible?
A convertible? I don't know about that.
TV?
Yeah, probably a TV. Okay. And, okay, say if you have tax. Say the tax is $50 and the TV is $100. How much would your TV cost total?
$150.
$150? Good job. Okay, today we are going to talk about how to add and subtract money. Now, do you guys know how to do that? Or
We know how to add money.
do you know how to add money? Okay.
I know how to subtract money too. I know how to trade money in for something else.
Okay. Well, we're just going to go over some review today if you guys know how to. Okay. Find the amount of money remaining after purchases are made.
Yeah, it's $6.
Okay.
That's really cheap.
It looks like your shirt is $7 and your, I believe it's a brick, is $1 or chocolate, whatever. Okay, what's your total cost with this?
$8.
$8? Okay. How many ones do we get? 3 ones? Okay. And we have 10. How many bills do we have left? 2. And how many dollar bills is that? 2 ones. Good job.
How do you know how much money you have though? If you have 10 and not on state, you get your back.
Correct. Okay, and the remaining amount would be? $2. Okay. Use bar models to solve real world problems. Okay. So,
Use the center.
who can read this with me?
45, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55.
Okay. Who can tell me how much or what coins you would use for like 55 cents, for example? Good job. Okay, and what about say 40 cents? How many? Okay.
Quarter and 2 dimes and 4 pennies.
I don't think that's 40 cents.
I mean, take away those 4 pennies.
2 quarters and 4 pennies?
A quarter and 2 dimes.
A quarter and 2 dimes?
45.
That's 45. I think what we could do is have 4 dimes,
4 dimes.
or a quarter
Or
and
you can
1
have-
dime and 1 nickel
No way. We could use
for 40 cents. Okay, well let's go on to the next one. Okay, Randy bought an eraser, a pencil, and a ruler. The eraser cost 30 cents. The pencil cost 45 cents, and the ruler cost 50 cents. How much did he pay in all? Okay, see what he did here? Oh. Okay. Oh, thank you. Okay. Randy bought a pencil and ruler, and they want to know how much he got total. And so we take 30 plus 45 cents plus 50 cents, and we get $1.25. Now remember, when we add all 3 of these together, we eventually have to carry it over so it equals a 1. Okay? Okay, let's try some together, alright? Ellie buys a box of paper clips for 55 cents, a marker for 85 cents, and a notepad for 90 cents. How much does she pay in all? So what do we do with this right here?
The 55 right there.
Put the 55 right here. Okay.
And the 85 next to it.
Who can tell me what the last number is?
90.
90? Okay. Now, think with your shoulder partner and come up with the answer what you think it is. I'd like to see TPs when you guys are done.
Alright, could you help them out by writing it vertically for them so they can
Yeah.
see?
I did not know you were.
It's, I know, I was sneaking in the back.
Two sides, right? No.
Okay,
Three.
well, let's do this together, okay, class?
Five.
Okay, what's this class right here? 10. Okay, so we put the 10 here, carry it up here. Okay. What's 8 plus 1, class? 9. 9 plus 5.
14.
14. Alright, and 14 plus 9.
14 plus 9. 23. 23.
23.
Jingle is it 23?
And carry the 2 over. So it's
236.
230 cents.
230.
$2.30.
That's what I said. 230.
It would be 230 cents, but we don't normally pay things in just pennies, right? So we change it to dollars.
You can change that to cents. Yeah, but it has an S, so.
Yeah, 230 cents. And then 230 cents equals $2.30. Remember when we say and, that usually means that there's a period. So, how much does Ellie pay in all?
$2.30.
Okay. Okay, Maggie has 27 cents. She saves 15 cents more. She spends 19 cents. How much does Maggie have left? Okay, I'll write for you on here. She saves 15 cents more and spends 19 cents. What do you guys think I should do? Talk with your shoulder partner and raise your hand. I like this TP. It's math time. I'd like to see TPs. I like this group right here. You guys got your answer? Would you guys like to answer? You forgot?
Okay, I should be on the board. Hands down. TP's down. Eyes on the board. Bryce and Autumn.
Who would like to tell me what to do? 27 plus 15? Thank you. But then she spends 19 cents too. She saves 15 cents more. She spends 19 cents.
44, and then 42 minus 19. 23. 43, sorry.
we're trying to figure out what we want right here, so it would be 27 cents plus 15 cents. Okay, so class, tell me what 7 plus 5 is.
2.
2.
12.
Alright, carry the 1. And then
4.
4. Okay, 42 cents. Alright,
And then what does she spend? 19 cents. So am I gonna add or subtract?
subtract. Alright, 19. Alright, so do we subtract the 2 from the 9, or what do we do?
Go next door.
Go next door? Alright, what do we do with the 4?
Put a 3.
Put a 3?
And put the 101 ahead of the 2.
And then put this as 12?
Yeah.
Alright, so what's 12 minus 9, class?
12 minus 9 is 3.
3, correct. Alright, and 3 minus 1 is?
2.
Alright, so she has,
23 cents. Well, there's 20 up there.
what?
Oh, never mind.
Okay.
Make it bigger. Yeah. Make her.
Okay,
You can make it bigger.
Maggie has 42 cents in all. Okay. Okay, a DVD player costs $168. A camera costs $175 more than the DVD player. A computer costs $300. How much does the computer cost compared to the camera?
What is it talking about? 3 things right now?
It is, but the first thing we have to do is it tells us how much the DVD player is. It tells the camera is $75 more, so the first thing I would figure out is how much does that camera cost?
Well, what's the camera cost? What? 75. 68.
Let's do it up here.
75.
168. Alright, what do we do next?
Plus $75.
Alright, can you guys figure out from there?
13.
Yes. Wait a minute. Not 13.
Yeah, they're just starting in the ones place.
Okay, sorry. Alright, what's next?
14.
And then 2. Alright, so the camera is
$243.
$243. Or cents, whichever you prefer. Or no, it would be 2,000. Yeah, 2,430 cents.
Wow.
That would be a lot of change to carry.
Imagine all those pennies. Okay.
So now we know how much the camera costs. And if the computer costs $300, I want to know how much more the computer costs than the camera.
And the camera costs $243.
What do you think we should do to find out if I know the computer and I know the camera, but I want to find out this little part right here, how much more? Am I going to add or subtract? Turn to your shoulder partner and tell them what you think you should do.
Add.
I like those teepees. How about this group back here? Class? Let me answer. What's your answer? minus 200?
43.
300 minus 243?
Guys, I should be on the boards right now.
Alright, what's 300 minus 243? What do I do first?
Go all the way
Go all the way back?
Cross it out. Cross it out. Don't cross off about. Yeah.
I'm pretty sure you do it that way.
Nope.
You can do it either way.
And then put a 10.
To the 10, and then what else?
A 10. 2 above the 3. And then put a 10 above the. Then put a 10 above the 9. 9. Oh, we put a 10.
Yeah, because if we put our 1 here, that would give us a 10, but then we borrow 1 from that, so that leaves us a 9.
7 under.
Alright, what's 10 minus 3, class?
7.
A 7. Okay, and then what's 9 minus 4?
5.
Alright, so we have 57
Cents. 57 cents.
The computer is $57 more than the camera.
Okay, and guys, these problems we've been doing are 2-step problems. That means you're going to solve part of it, and you're going to use the answer from the first problem to solve the second problem. So you're going to have a couple different steps in these.
Alright, we're going to do some of these together, but mostly on your own, okay? Okay, Miss Yuri has $450 in the bank. She has 18 less than Miss Wallace. Miss Wallace spends $226. How much money does she have left? Subtract, right. But what do we subtract, class? You can raise your hand and tell me.
450 minus 18.
That,
How about if I make a number, or a bar model? Thank you, Autumn. Okay, here is Mrs. Yuri, and she has $450 in the bank. She has $18 less than Mrs. Wallace. So here's going to be Mrs. Wallace. Oh, no, sorry. Here's Mrs. Wallace. We don't know how much she has, but we know she has $18 less. Is that right?
More.
Miss Wallace has more money. Yes. So now the first thing I have to do is figure out how much Mrs. Wallace has. Jordan, turn around. If I know 2 parts and I'm looking for my whole, what am I going to do? Let's use Mrs. Davis's fancy trick here. I'm going to put my plus sign. Do I have 2 parts to add together? So what am I going to do? Add.
okay, I'll write it up here so it's a little easier.
Sit down, please.
Is that okay with you guys?
I can see it. 8.
Alright, what do you guys think I should do first?
You have to go to the 10. No, you
No, that's right.
don't. Adding.
Sorry.
It's adding.
Sorry.
It's adding.
We got it. We do 8 and
It's
then.
6, 4.
Alright, so Miss Wallace has how much? $460. Okay, and then Miss Wallace spends $226. How much money does she have left?
Think about what I'm gonna do. Am I gonna add or am I gonna subtract?
She has 468. What do I do with that 468? You subtract it, right?
I said
Subtract it from 1.
and then I heard it.
What do we subtract 468 with?
236.
Right. Alright, class, help me out. What do we do first?
3.
Add 8 and 6. I think this is subtraction.
Subtract 8 and 6 and don't equal 3.
No, equal 2.
Alright, 2. And then 6 minus 2.
4. Oh, I put 9.
And then 4 minus 2.
2.
2. So she had, how much money does she have left?
242 cents.
Okay, there's. Alright, okay. Carrie and Neil have $230 together. Carrie has $159. How much does Neil have? Okay,
Well,
So-
could
Carrie
subtract.
has
30.
$230.
Okay, add 330.
Okay, Carrie has 159. And then we don't know what Neil has. We're looking for what Neil has. But we do know that they have 230. Well, alright.
I do that a lot of times. Me too, don't worry.
They have 230 total. So
Okay, guys, we're taking a test on Friday, so I should be on the board, and you should be showing active listening.
okay. So what should we do first to figure out what Neil has? Turn to your shoulder partner and discuss what you think. Can I add those two together? So what am I going to do? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Eyes on me. Right. You want to tell me what to do? Right. So 230 minus 159.
Autumn and Bryce.
Okay, class, who can tell me what we do first? Again. Yes?
We borrow.
Yes, we borrow. From where though?
The 3.
The 2, not the 3. Because 3 minus 5, that gives us a negative number. We don't want to work with negative numbers with money. It's always a bad sign when you end up with negative numbers in money. And so that would be 12. Okay, so 10 minus 9 is what?
1.
12 minus 5.
7.
Alright, so how much does Neil have?
$71.
Good job.
What about the 2? What about the 2?
We took away the 2. We took away the 2, so it's just 1 minus 1, so that's just 0.
Oh.
So we just have.
Well, we didn't put the 1, so how are we supposed to know?
Hmm?
How are we supposed to know?
How are we supposed to know? Well, we borrowed. So when we borrow, we take away 1. So we put this as 1. We put this one as 12, and then we put this one as 10.
How do you put that one as?
She just skips steps, it's okay. So it comes out with, should we try one with the board?
Yeah. You guys want to go to your seats
Yeah.
and write on your board?
Yes.
Okay, go to your seats real quick, very quietly. Class, it's getting a little too loud in here. I'd like your eyes on me, please. Sitting down.
You guys have to get pencils.
Sitting down.
Someone pencil. We need to get pencil and paper. Okay, guys.
Yep, we're out of markers, so you'll need a pencil and paper if you don't have one.
There's usually a lot of work. People keep on stealing them. People, they think that it's not good.
Okay, class. Just get a pencil and paper if you don't have a marker. It doesn't matter.
I'll be back.
I'm not gonna start the lesson. I'm waiting for everybody to have eyes on me, sitting in their chair with either a whiteboard and marker or their pencil and paper out, please. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start the lesson. Okay, Joe buys an apple for 35 cents. Leanne buys a melon for 82 cents. How much did they spend in all?
So, Abby.
So we have,
Biggest numbers over.
so Joe spends 35 cents on an apple. Leanne spends 82 cents.
So we're subtracting.
Do I know my two parts and I'm looking for a whole?
Yeah.
So if I know my two parts, am I gonna add or subtract?
And add.
Add.
So what you're saying.
Alright, you guys have 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Show me your boards. Well, it looks like everybody got mostly right. Alright, you can tell me what to do.